Are you tired of hunting for the database rename option in Odoo? Master the exact clicks to rename it in under 2 minutes. We'll start from the Odoo homepage, access your profile, locate your database, and use the gear icon to rename it. Then, log back in to save changes. So, go ahead and navigate to the homepage first. Once you're there, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then, from that menu, click on My Databases. In the list that appears, choose the database you want to rename. Next to that database, you'll see a small gear icon. Click it. From the drop-down, go ahead and select Manage. Inside the Manage menu, click on Rename. Then, type the new name you'd like for your database. Click that Rename button again to confirm.
Now, to actually save the change, you'll need to log in.
So, type in your email and your password right there. Then, click Login, and that's how you change the database name. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.